y'all gotta be serious, but if y'all ever heard a very bad snoring? Because I do. Every single night I'm just like, bruh, what the hell? And then I'm just like, bruh, what's up with this? And then I just look at the wall and just be like, can you please shush? Yeah. And then when I just like go to sleep in the morning, I hear nothing. And then I don't know why, but don't mind me, but I'm just checking this, okay, bruh? Don't judge. I'm sorry. But not gonna lie, yeah. You know what? You can sleep for like a literal like 2 more minutes, and you know what? You just hear some like words of your mom and dad like snoring, like every single like 10 seconds or like 1 minute, and then you're just like, okay, bro, I cannot sleep. Might as well touch something. You know what? Touch your phone or iPad, and you know what? You're bored. And so you know what you do? Just go look what's online and just make some videos like it's nothing, like bing, boom, boom, bing. And then in the morning, they're just like, why did you stay up? What's up with that? And then, bruh, and then you're just like, oh no, because y'all like snore too a lot, and then get slapped. And bro, and then you just interrupt, bruh, I'm sorry, bruh. And then, yeah, I gotta understand, sadly, bye.